we are, September 23rd, pouring Tower 2. We got 3 pallets of concrete, cement mixer, and we got another crew up here putting up the top tower, supports, that's it up there, and this is, we got one more leg lead up here. Tower 2 with Tower 1. First leg. There we go. It is happening here. We got the first tower together, which is pretty exciting. Everything's actually fitting pretty good. Took a while to get it all lined up, but it's bolted, ready to go. Here we are, we got all the towers set up. We winched the last one up on the tree. We got Tower 1, Tower 2, top base. The base is all welded. Nice. All right. Gorgeous looking.
You left a little bit of gas in it, so we could still probably start.
Okay.
If you carried the it's real straightforward.
Yes.
Fuel inlet.
Yeah.
It's got a little hand primer, so you can prime it up.
Cool.
And then, as far as the governor is concerned, all the way forward is for start, and then you can put it to wherever you want, and it's a set screw. And it's got the cable mount too, so you could just run a cable.
Oh, okay.
Choke. The choke is also wired in, so when you have voltage applied, when it has voltage, it'll electro.
Oh, fancy.
It's got a coal or like a low oil shutdown, so if there's low oil pressure, it won't run.
Nice.
And it's all magneto, so it just has to get spinning and it'll power itself. It doesn't have to do that.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. It looks like an airplane motor.
It's basically just a Volkswagen motor. It's like a military version of a Volkswagen motor.
I can't believe how small it is.
And then, so I got the clutch. It's all Loctited on there.
Oh,
but
there's no way to get another wheel on there, is there?
No, we'd have to get a whole another clutch setup.
Shit, like a schlinger shafting.
where it was kind of tight when it was on the compression stroke. And I don't know if you heard it, but when it turns, that click is the magneto. And that's what's making the fire. So it's okay. It's not something bad.
Nice. Sounds great. Oh, sounds loud.